Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink Gluta Lipo juice. First, take 1 sachet of Gluta Lipo and pour its contents into a glass. Next, add 150 milliliters of cold water to the powder. It's important to use cold water for optimal mixing. Stir the mixture well until the powder is completely dissolved, ensuring a smooth and consistent drink. This preparation step is crucial for enjoying your beverage. For the best experience, consume your Gluta Lipo drink once a day. Many users find it most effective to drink it before bedtime. This allows your body to process the ingredients overnight. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate it into your daily routine. Remember to avoid taking it simultaneously with other medications or supplements to prevent any potential interactions. While enjoying Gluta Lipo, it's vital to stay well hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. This supports overall wellness and helps your body function optimally. Combining the drink with a balanced diet and a regular exercise routine will enhance your results. If you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant, always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Proper storage ensures the quality and effectiveness of your Gluta Lipo. Keep the sachets in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. This helps maintain the integrity of the ingredients. Always make sure the product is stored out of reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Following these simple storage guidelines will keep your Gluta Lipo fresh and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.